Hello, this is Alana, and this is our fifth SAS Viya demo. So we are going to start working with section 3.1. And to begin with, we're going to log in to SAS Viya and go to the Applications menu to explore and visualize. So I already have that pulled up here. Here's our application menu, explore and visualize. While we wait for it to load, let's see what our next step is going to be. We're going to go to All Reports and navigate to Courses YVA Basics Demo and click on this report and open it. Courses. Demos Marketing. And then, let's see, was it 3.1? Yes. Alrighty. No, sorry, I was practicing earlier. All right, so now that we've got that open, we're going to go to Data. And it contains the list of items from the Customers Clean table. So we need to verify that customer ID and order ID appear in the category group. So let's see. Category group, customer ID, order ID. So they're both in the category group. We are good to keep moving forward. So we need to make sure that loyalty number also appears. Loyalty number right there. And check our measures, days to delivery and profit. Days to delivery, profit. All right. So first we're going to modify properties for a data item. Data order was delivered. So in the category group, we'll right-click that. Right-click. And then format. Format. That one. And edit properties, delivery date. All right. So in the measure group, we're going to do a similar thing to the discount and percent. So we're going to go down to our aggregation. Right now it's set at sum, which is the default, but we want to set it to average. And then we're going to change the name of this one as well. So here in the name, instead of this long name, we're just going to make it discount. And then that should do it. Next, we're going to go to days to delivery and change that to average and rename it. And then we're going to edit the name of the date order was placed by customer. to, what did they want us to order? Dates. and change cost to unit cost, like so. Change quantity ordered to quantity. Right. And next to retail, instead of retail price, we're going to do total revenue. And we're going to save that, and that is all we have time for. Thank you so much.